face microphone so you can hear what I'm on about. That's the brakes. I'm not going to say that it's like being attacked by a bear, because it isn't. But it is like being in a room with a bear that's thinking of attacking you. So it's not really the speed that's scary. Oh God. It's the noise and the harshness and the vibrations. Holy cow! The engine is now producing 820 horsepower, and the speed just beggars belief. The bear is in attack mode. Now I'm starting to understand why the Vulcan could go around the Nardo handling circuit in southern Italy 9 seconds faster than the McLaren P1. 9 seconds in car time